Alright guys, so now that you've got Blender installed, you can just come to your trackpad, which is at your launchpad, which is at the very bottom down here. And when you click on it, all these apps are going to show up, and then you can just search for Blender, which I did now, and just click on that and it should load, and your starting page should look a lot like mine. I'm using the latest version as you saw me install in the previous video. So to create a new project, there's different kinds, but we are just going to focus on the general type. This is generally the one you select when you start. And then you've got your viewport, and this is your starting place in Blender. And before we start to get our hands dirty, I just want to show you a few settings you can configure so that you can use your trackpad if you don't have a mouse, and also you can use the number keys for shortcuts like this, which is very handy. And that was just me pressing from 1 to 0 on my keyboard. So what you want to do is you want to come up to edit and then go to preferences, and we want to go into input, and we just need to make a few selections here. The one you want to do is emulate numpad, and as you can see, it says main 1 to 0 keys act as numpad. If you have like a desktop, you know those keys with the numbers on the far right. And then you also want to emulate your 3-button mouse. These are just the two, and just make sure your selections are similar to mine: emulate numpad and emulate 3-button mouse. I had configured these before, so I've got them. And alright, if this is not checked for you, you can also check it. Touchpad, multi-touch gestures, just gonna allow you to zoom and stuff. Alright, so I will just close this down, and that's it for configuring the settings. And so I'll start the next video from here.